No sleep. She was waiting at the truck stop. Black boots, red work shirt, grease. She said, "Boy, where you headed?" I said, "Anywhere the road turns blue." She laughed like a match in the dark. Said, "Driver, I might ride with you." At daylight, mud on the chrome chain tight. She kept my coffee black and silent, then sang at the edge of night. Told me a man went missing somewhere past Baton Rouge. I said, "Baby, I ain't a savior." She said, "No, but I like your moves." Rain hit hard on the windshield, diesel bled in the air. She leaned close over the console, said, "Don't stop right there, diesel rain woman." Whoa, diesel rain woman, ride that line with me, ride that diesel rain woman. Whoa. She kissed me and stepped away, left me a note on a napkin, said, "Find me when the weather changes." I kept that note